full transparency, I did not wake up with this on my head. I went to bed with it on. Girl, it ended up somewhere in the middle of these sheets. My hair looked a hot mess. So before starting the video, I decided to put it back on my head just so that I can give you a little bit of a masculine fantasy. Do I look a little bit more butch? No? I know, right? I open my mouth and I sound feminine. My birthday weekend was a lot of fun. But I'm excited for today because I'm actually going to be meeting somebody that I have been friends with on social media for like 8 years, maybe 9 years, maybe. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little shy, but I'm a little excited. So I'm gonna get ready. I need to shower, skincare, laundry, therapy, and then we're gonna meet up. Let's get ready, Handy, because I got a lot to do this morning. Ugh. So I'm a fan of like itty bitty shorts because I'm short. I'm 5'4". So my best friend yesterday gave me 3 shorts. This is the first one, which I love the color. Isn't it cute? I don't think I'm gonna be wearing these out because like I think, or maybe I could. Bitch, I will wear these out. Anyways, let me show you. There's another 2. These are the white ones. Do we like? They're cute. I like that they like get tight at my thighs. Like they literally make me look like I got even nicer legs. I'm like, girl, is this the illusion of it all? Okay, these are the black ones. I like these 2. These are a little bit tighter at the waist than the other 2. So you see this little, you see this? This is triggering me just a little bit, but self-love. We love everything about our bodies here, Hanny, so we're not gonna let it bother us. But I like these. I mean, you can't go wrong with black. Let's go make some coffee because I need coffee. Oh, and my laundry is all in there, and I don't want to touch it. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but this is pretty much my look for today. You know, simple, cute, summery, springy. This is what I call casual-ish. Maybe? I don't know. Whatever. It's a look. Hi. This is still part of Wednesday's vlog, even though it's Thursday. And the reason why is because I went to go meet up with somebody yesterday that I was meeting for the first time, and I didn't really want to have a camera in front of them. So I figured I would finish the video today, which is Thursday, while I'm cooking some dinner for myself. I'm actually going to be making lettuce tacos using Bib lettuce, which I really love. So yesterday I ended up meeting somebody that I have been friends with on Instagram for 8 years. He knew when I was dating my ex. He lived in DC at the time. I still lived in Jersey, and our schedules never really lined up to meet. He is a bit of an Instagram like content creator, so I knew that if I pulled out my camera and wanted to record, he'd be down for it. But it was my first time meeting him, so I felt kind of weird bringing that up to him, which is the reason why I just stopped recording all across the board. Funny thing is, yesterday he asked me if I wanted him to bring the camera so that he can like take photos of me, or me take photos of him. And I think he was fully surprised when he learned that I am not a camera person. Like, my Instagram is very curated. A lot of my photographs from 3 years and on were taken by my ex for the most part. But the photographs from there on to now are literally just me and myself in my apartment. But if you take me outdoors and someone is taking photos of me in a public setting, I fully freeze. And he was fully surprised that that is even a thing with me, because he did not know that. He thought that I was a natural in the camera. And I'm like, no baby. I am not natural. I am very, very, very shy. So he was surprised by that. It was really nice to meet him and be able to have an actual conversation with him that wasn't over a computer screen. And I actually learned a lot about him. We have a lot of, I feel like he would be a good friend. We have a lot of similarities with our upbringing. We got along really well. We went to like Washington Square Park, we walked around Soho, we walked around West Village. I took him to my closest friend's restaurant, a Filipino taqueria in the West Village called Flip Siggy. Girl, I'm trying to set up these lettuce, how do you say, what's lettuce in plural? Lettuce-eye? Lettuce-eye? Girl, whatever the fuck it is, I'm doing it wrong. How about that? Baby, our version of pico de gallo in Ecuador is called curtido, which I'm assuming means like to cut, because you're pickling your vegetables with like lemon juice. So good. The only thing that I'm gonna say is that my mom and my ancestors right now are dragging me is because I picked up parsley instead of cilantro. I have the lettuce and the meat. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of my pico de gallo, which, baby, so good. Listen, I'm not a recipe girl, like, meaning I love following a recipe, do not get me wrong. However, me giving you the recipe, like with like exact measurements, oh no baby. Baking, do not ask me to bake, because baking, baby, you will be very upset with me if you ask me to bake. I'm not baking. I mean, I can make things out of the box, but that's not really baking. From scratch though, baby, you don't want me to. I think because baking is so much of a science that I get nervous, like that I'm gonna ruin it. Bitch, I'm a perfectionist, so if I feel like I'm fucking something up, I'm gonna be upset. Not with anybody but myself. Come on, avocados. So now we're gonna top it off with a little bit more meat, so bitches be knowing that I got some meat in this and it's not just fucking veggies, ho. These are the tacos. You see? Babe lettuce, got some meat, got some pico de gallo, or in Spanish, Ecuadorian Spanish, curtido. We got some avocados. And yeah, this is my dinner. Cute, right? So, here we go. Baby. Wow. It's a little juicy, you know what I mean? Which is okay. Girl, I deserve a pat on the back, girl. Come on, you being healthy with the lettuce wraps. Yes. Knowing damn well I want a fucking burger and french fries. But this is not bad. This is really good, actually. Whoever marries me is gonna be, actually that's a lie, because I cook because I like to, but it's not something that I want to do every day. And also the idea of marriage right now, trauma, girl. Be like, slap your mama, hoe. I can't. Word up. Girl. I'm not even talking in full sentences because it's so good. I hate iceberg lettuce. Like, if I'm going to your house, don't feed me iceberg lettuce. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. And don't feed me coleslaw. I don't want coleslaw. No coleslaw and no iceberg lettuce. If you give me a salad with iceberg lettuce, I'm walking out. I'm not doing that. Like, the insult of you feeding me iceberg lettuce, I just don't like it. Baby. You know, no words. I'm just mumbling at this point. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm saying something, girl. Yo, but word up. Yo, this shit is good. Oh my god. Legit 5 minutes of me eating. I'm fucking dead. Oh my god, that was so good. A little spicy because I added a little bit of red pepper flakes. Still good though. Yo, that was so good. Oh my god. Chris, you be throwing down in the kitchen, bitch. Yes. Like Chef Ramsay who? Moral of the story is, I did enjoy meeting my friend from DC that just moved to Jersey. That was really nice. He's definitely not going to be shooting me on his camera because we're not doing it. I get very, very shy, like I told you guys earlier. But I'm excited to see where this friendship goes because he seems really sweet. And it's crazy to think that, like, honestly, over the last year, I've been meeting a lot of people that have been friends with me on Instagram, actually in person. Actually, over the last 2 years, to be fully transparent. But I'm going to shower and just chill. I'm gonna actually catch up with The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. That new episode came out last night. They're gonna be dragging Sutton because I don't know if you guys watched The Housewives of Beverly Hills, but Sutton, S-U-T-T-O-N, she gonna get hit by somebody soon. That Caucasian mouth of hers, honey, no ma'am. I'm gonna go shower, I'm gonna go relax, and I'm gonna try to edit this video. I'm gonna try to edit this video and then post it so that my best friend can get off my motherfucking back because he be bothering me. Yeah, you, Eddie, leave me alone. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna, you know, do what I gotta do and peace out. Bye.